This is my unboxing of the HooToo USB 3.07 port hub. And it's got two charging ports on this device as well. And it's got USB 3.0, so it's one of the latest generations. And the box here, let's go ahead and take a look around. Support information on the back. Let's go ahead and open it up. It's a little tough here. All right. All right, that doesn't come out easy. Just pop it here. All right. I don't think there's any better way to. Yeah, I guess I could have done that better. All right. Oh, this package is really nice. I'm actually really impressed. Okay. Yeah. Let's go ahead and take that off. Alright, so package in the box, you've got your charging brick here. It's actually fairly large, but being that it's got so many ports here, let's see what we got. It's a 12 volt adapter, 12 volt output, input 1.5 amps. It's the connector there. Looks like actually a really fairly long cord there, if you can see that. Okay, you've got that unique 3.0 brick port here for the USB. This is a shorter cord, maybe about a 3-footer. But you have another long cord here to connect up to the power brick for the plug-in. So you've got a substantially long length. Just a comment card here. Your warranty card. And a fairly thick manual. It's got the model HTUH010. Okay, yeah. Half of it's English. Well, maybe a quarter. Let's take a look at the device. It's got a nice soft plastic, soft gray. It's got a high gloss on the front. On the back, you've got your model number, your input and output voltage. Then on the side, you've got your adapter port for the USB and your DC and 12 volt. The labeling here, you've got your 1 through 7 ports labeled. You'll be able to see them when you plug it in. And then you got your 1 amp out and 2.1 amp out dedicated charging ports. So let me go ahead and hook that up. We are all hooked up. Straight out, you can see there is a red indicator showing it is turned on. None of the other indicator lights are on at this moment. Let's go and plug in a device and port 1. Okay, still no lights detected, even though it's plugged in. And let's plug in the device. And we are charging. Now there's still no light showing here, and I think that's because I don't actually have this connected yet to a computer. So once the data connection starts, I think you'll see that 1 light up. Let's remove it there. And let's just try the dedicated ports here for power. And there's no indicator lights on the power. They just have the straight etching for their outage outputs. Alright, so that was my unboxing. If you have any questions, go ahead and leave them in the comments. Thanks.